Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. But today we're not in the kitchen. Today traditional is a Thai New Year. It's April 13, Thai New Year traditional. So we come to Los Angeles. We come to the Thai temple in Los Angeles. It's called Wat Thai Los Angeles. So it's behind me. So soon I will show you what they happen. This is my first time too to come to Wat Thai in Los Angeles.
ขนบวัฒนธรรมที่จับต้องไม่ได้ของมนุษยชาตินะครับดำเนินการให้เกิดกรมส่งเสริมวัฒนธรรมรัฐบาลไทยได้ดำเนินการส่งเสริมสนับสนุนเป็นขับรถอ่ะใกล้เธอ
เจอที่ว่างพอดี
โอ้เหลือเอาโชคดีไป
ที่เหลือพักผ่อนตามอัธยาศัยนะครับกราบขอบคุณมากครับ
A lot of food inside the food court. They have so many different traditional Thai food here. So now we decide we try to look at all the food and we decide what we're going to eat for lunch. And I will show you how it tastes and what it's gonna look like. Okay, so this is a lot of people. If you can see behind me, a lot, and all the table is full. And all the table is full. Even myself, I can't find myself comfortable sit down and eat. But everything it smells really good. But little bit sad, little bit for me. I forget my wallet in the car. But I have some money in the purse. Lucky I have some money in the purse, but forget the wallet in the car. That's all we have. We have Thai papaya salad for $8. This is our Thai papaya salad, and we have the boat noodle. This is the pork boat noodle for $9. And we also oh, okay, that's perfect. Okay, we have mu ping. We have the mu ping. Okay, I forget the price. The cameraman pay for it. Then we have of course the sticky rice to eat with, and another mu ping. Oh, and this one I really my favorite. The sausage, the Northeast sausage. It have rice inside. If you go to Thailand, you might see it before. Hard for me to open. Oh, one of my favorite. And I really want a dessert over there so much, but we don't have enough money. But tonight when we go out and eat and have some dinner, I will show you more Thai food in the Thai town. But right now, we have to enjoy all this. Everything smells really good, and a lot of food. They have sticky rice, mango. They have all kind of different desserts and all kind of food, and a lot of people. Everybody enjoy. Okay, we're going to me and the cameraman gonna taste all the food. Maybe you want to see. I put a little bit of seasoning inside here. Okay, let me just try the broth. This is the boat noodle. Let me try some broth. Oh, let's say it's pork. It's a pork boat noodle, but tastes like a beef. It's a pork. It's really good. Wow, it's really good. It's really good. And for the papaya salad, I smell. Oh, they put like a dry shrimp in here too, and smell like you eat in Thailand. I wasn't sure how the cameraman ordered because this is cameraman order. I don't know he ordered spicy or not. Let me try. I love it. So it's spicy. I hope you can handle it. It's it spicy. Even I love to eat spicy, but this is papaya salad, little spicy. I hope the cameraman can handle it. And I'm sorry when I'm talking and then eating and talking at the same time. But I know I can't wait. Okay. Look at this. Wow. I wish I have more chicken rice. I know I eating little bit and everything because like want to show you how it look like and gonna taste like, oh, this is gonna be so good. Look, I gonna bite, I gonna chew with the chili. Let's see if I can do it.
Why are you telling me?
Ginger, cabbage. This one actually is so good. Everything worth it. It's worth it. And you see a lot of people and a good food. Okay, I'm so happy I'm driving down here today. See a lot of people and good food, and the price is really good too. And I just show you a little bit of everything, and now we're going to enjoy, and then we will talk again when we're done eating. And thank you. Now me and the cameraman and the baby gonna enjoy eating.
แล้วก็นี่เป็นโฉมงามโฉมงามของผู้เข้าประกวดชิงตำแหน่งมิสสงกรานต์ USA ในวันนี้นะคะ ตอนนี้ขอให้สาวงามทุกท่านเดินขึ้นไปที่หน้าเวทีนะคะเพื่อให้คณะกรรมการได้ยนต์โฉมกันชัดๆอีกครั้งนะคะ
So next everybody gonna stick
Okay, a little bit windy and chilly today. It's so cold, and then I didn't know, and then I didn't check the weather before I coming. So now we finished already our lunch, and we're going to go head to the hotel, and then we're going to go to the Thai town, and then we will show you for the video later. Okay, let's go. Okay, so now we're in Thai town. We're gonna wait for a check-in at 3, so we stop it right here. And you see the บ้านขนมไทย over there. So I'm gonna check out for some snack and for dessert. And for dinner tonight, we probably come here and looking for something to eat. But now we just want something quick and some dessert. The cat is here. I know. That's why. What time? Okay, so this is a lot of Thai dessert and a lot of snack. This is another favorite pineapple filling. Okay, and this I want to eat at the Thai temple, but we don't have enough money, so I'm gonna try it over here. Look, coconut custard. Coconut custard, one. Okay, we got a lot from the บ้านขนมไทย some Thai dessert and some snack. But now we're going to go inside the ขนมหวาน. So they have like interesting like ice cream and look like some dessert. So we're just gonna go check it out in here. So here now our dessert that we're going to eat now. We have a shaved ice with the mango ice cream and the shaved ice. And we have like fresh mango and sticky rice, and they have the mango sauce. Oh, and this one is gonna be toast.
For the ice cream?
You can for the dipping. This is a toast. This is a pandan toast with the ice cream. I think a coconut ice cream. All right, and let's try. And this look a lot of whipped cream. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, snow.
Snow.
Wow. Really good. Really good actually.
Mom.
You like it? Let's try the pendant and the coconut ice cream.
Hamden and the coconut ice cream. It's my turn, Daddy.
Really good. I like the pendant. I like the pendant custard. But the toast, for me, it's a little too crispy. But I like the pendant, and I like the coconut ice cream. So now we're all gonna enjoy.
I love this one, frosty.
Yeah. Okay, and now we got into the hotel, and then this is our room, and we stay in the Dixie Hollywood Hotel. This is our hotel and our small room next to Thai Town, so easy for us to go and whatever we want to go and eat. They have 24-hour food open, the restaurant. And now for the quick show you gonna show you some quickly what we got from the snacks shop that we stopped by before. This is for she picked her snack. She picked these two things for her. Look at this, Lay. Coconut pancake for you. And then this all snack is for her. But for me, I picked, I can go back, but now this one we have to eat first. A coconut. I don't even have a fork. A coconut pudding. Like at the bottom, it have like a little bit of jello, like texture, and they have a coconut pudding on the top. Okay, and this one we have to eat soon, otherwise gonna go bad. And I got some cracker, the pineapple cheese cracker. I got two different one, but they both the pineapple filling. Okay. Joe, cameraman, you want to try a bite of the? Oh, I have one more thing. I almost forget. One of my favorite all the time. This is still warm. This is sticky rice. They grill it sticky rice. One is taro filling and one is banana filling. So I got one of each to try because this dessert is a fast, so you have to eat. If you keep it for the next day, they will probably not very good. So you have to eat either way. So I didn't want to buy them too much. So I just got all this, all we can eat. So I don't have the fork to eat the pudding right now, coconut. I'm gonna use the toothpick over here. I'm gonna try it one bite.
What does it taste like?
A coconut. You want to try it? Do you want to try it? You want to try one?
That's good. It's sweet but a little bit salty. I remember you made these before at home on one of your recipes.
Yes, I made this before.
It was very good.
It's very, yeah. Okay, so we're going to take a rest, getting shower, and relax a little bit, and we're gonna turn on the camera again when we go out for dinner. We don't know, we're not sure yet where we're going to eat. Okay, but I think it will be good for sure. Okay, I gonna say like thank you so much for watching.